Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to make loud noises with loose leaf or any kind of paper. So at least it's not big. I mean, at least it's really thin. So sorry about the noise behind. So you're gonna need to do the long side, not the short side. It has to be like this long. So you're gonna have to fold this 3 times. 1, one. So you can see I already did one side. I have to do it 3 more times. You have to go turn around and do it again like this. You do it the same way, like you do it like this and then do it down again. Okay. So right there. I did 2 times, not in the back.
Slim thick.
Okay, so 1 more time. And then, damn. You did 3 times. Now, turn it around and then fold it. I think let me just do it like this. There, I did 3 times. Now you have to turn it all around. Fold it in half. There, just like that. And now, this is the hard part. Most people don't understand this. Right? It's like this. You're holding it like this, and then you grab these two, put it down, and you grab the sticking part, and you pull it a little bit more down, like that, a little more down, and then, oh my god, are you serious? Alright, just fold it again, hold up, like this. Like that. Yeah, like that. Yeah, so you fold it again. So make sure to put a lot down. Like that. It'll look like a heart. Sort of. And then with all your force. Something's like boom, it's like an explosion, like oh my gosh. So whenever you open it again, fold it. Do the same thing. Hold up, no, I was grabbing both of them. Right there, go. Like that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please prank someone. And then when you prank them, put in comments below if you prank them. And tell them if it was epic or not. Yeah guys, bye.